Hey, Kim here from Still Spirits, and today I'm going to show you how to run your first distillation using the T500 Pro column and condenser.
Please note that in certain countries, alcohol distillation and the possession of distilling equipment is illegal and permits and licenses may be required. For guidance or advice, contact your relevant local authorities.
Today we'll be making a vodka using a potato wash that we prepared earlier using the distiller's range of ingredients. If you'd like to give that recipe a try, just check the description for a link. First, a bit about the T500 Pro. It features high-grade copper construction, 2-inch tri-clamp connections at the head and base, a detachable product condenser and removable cold finger cooling coil, a thermo well at the top of the column, a thermometer with adjustable high and low temperature alarms. It's pre-packed with copper and stainless steel saddles, and additionally it saves up to 30% more water compared to the original T500. First, attach the T500 Pro to the boiler lid. You'll need a threaded adapter which comes with the new Create Plus boiler. If you are using an older model boiler, you'll need a Create Plus threaded adapter set to convert the lid to a tri-clamp connection. Secure the thermometer and mounting bracket onto the centre of the column. Insert the stainless steel sensor probe into the thermo well at the very top of the column. Attach the small tube onto the inlet at the top of the column, connecting to the coil and the outlet at the top of the condenser arm. Connect the white tube to the distillate outlet. Find your water tubing, a long tube and a shorter tube. Connect the shorter tube to the water inlet block. Connect the longer tube to the water outlet, directing this into your sink. Connect the tube to the clip provided on the back of the condenser mounting bracket. Using a jug or siphon, transfer the wash into the boiler. Then add your ceramic boil enhancers and distilling conditioner. Once your boiler contents are ready, place the T500 Pro and the boiler lid onto the boiler and secure with the clips. Next, connect your T500 Pro to your water supply. Today we'll be doing so via the Still Spirits water flow regulator, which gives you more control over the water flow, preventing changes in pressure from your water supply. If your boiler has dual element control switches, make sure both are set to the on position. We recommend initially setting the high temperature alarm at 5 degrees Celsius above ambient temperature. This is the temperature displayed before starting the boil. Turn on the water supply. Gradually open the flow controller, aiming for a rate between 550 and 650 mils per minute. Use a jug and time the amount of water per minute to get the correct flow rate. Then, reset the high alarm to your desired temperature. We recommend setting this to 80 degrees Celsius or 1 to 2 degrees Celsius above your stable distilling temperature. As the temperature on the thermometer reaches above 70 degrees Celsius, distillate will come out of the distillate tube. Collect and discard the first 50 to 100 ml, which contains unwanted compounds which should not be consumed. Start to adjust the flow slowly using the water flow controller to maintain a temperature between 78.5 and 79.5 degrees Celsius. Maintaining a temperature closer to 79.5 degrees Celsius will make the run go faster, but the ABV of the spirit out will be lower. Maintaining a temperature closer to 78.5 degrees Celsius will make the run take longer, but the ABV of your spirit will be higher. After approximately 5 hours, your distillation will be complete. You'll know the distillation has finished when the rate of the distillate slows down to 1 drop every 5 to 10 seconds. Once this happens, turn your boiler off and disconnect the power outlet, then turn off the water supply. Wait for the boiler contents to cool before emptying it through the tap. Dilute your spirit with cool drinking water as per your filter recommendations. Once filtered, dilute it again down to 40% ABV in preparation for flavouring or for future spirit runs. And that's how to run a distillation with the Create Plus T500 Pro column and condenser. To learn more, visit our website, stillspirits.com.